Hey everybody, so we're gonna roast a chicken and vegetables in the oven for dinner tonight. An easy peasy dinner, one pan meal. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can do this with these gloves on. So we're gonna spatchcock our chicken first. And to spatchcock, you just cut the back out of the chicken. It'll make it cook faster, and the whole thing will get a nice golden brown. This is a good way also to cook it on the grill. Okay, so I have my handy dandy scissors here, and we have it turned over, breast side down. This little dude feels like it was beat up. And you're just going to go along where the nose is. And just cut it right along the back and then turn it around. And cut it down the other side. And you're just going along the back. And yeah, you want good kitchen scissors for this. And if your chicken isn't as crooked as mine, probably won't. So you just take that out, and then you can put that with your other, like if you save other chicken, like the points off your wings and stuff like that, you can put it in the freezer for bone broth. Okay, and you just want to split it open, and now I'm going to wash my hands again and put on another pair of gloves so I can season this thing. Excuse me, everybody. There's nothing down here you can have. I'm sure you'd love that raw chicken, but you cannot have it. I guess they weren't happy with the bites of carrot. Hard to put these on when you just washed your hands. Okay, so I'm going to use some badia. It's a complete seasoning. It has garlic, onion, parsley, use a little bit of seasoned salt. to turn it over. And this chicken was it should be going the other way, but I think this chicken got broken before it was packaged. So if you can get both legs to go that direction. Let's see. I guess I can't hurt it anymore. So there we go. There's our chicken ready to go. I'll add some pepper. Add salt. And then around it, I have some white potato, sweet potato, carrot, and onion. I'm going to leave this side empty because I'm going to add broccoli over here. I'll put some in. And this chicken will just make the vegetables taste yummy. And I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. Over the veggies. Toss them around a little bit. You could add some chunked up fresh garlic into the veggies. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And that's always to your taste. I have my oven preheated to 400 We are going to pop this in there in about 15 minutes. Before this is done, I will add my broccoli to this side of the pan. So I will see you when we're doing that, and I need to plug in my camera. Okay, we've been in the oven for 45 minutes and it's looking yummalicious. Now I have my broccoli. We're just gonna spread that around. And these stems, if nobody in your family likes them, or if they do, you can peel that and dice it up into rings and cook that, or you can peel it and cook it, and your dogs can eat that. Not if they have kidney failure, but if you have a good healthy dog, they can eat the stalks. So with the dog food situation, you may want to start saving some things like this and cooking them for the dogs, and you can cook it and put it in the freezer until you have everything to make a batch of dog food. Stir these around a little bit. See, look at those potatoes are getting a nice golden brown. So we're gonna toss these around. And those natural juices. You could mince up some garlic to add to them. I'm going to spray them with just a little bit of oil. Some salt. Some pepper. I'm going to pop this back in the oven for about 15 minutes or until that broccoli's done, and then dinner's ready. Well, here it is, you guys. And before I get into whacking on that chicken, if you guys can get out and stock your pantries and your freezers and your refrigerator and whatever you can, go out and do that. I have some unboxings coming up of some online orders I've done. I did Purdue Farms, I did Misfit Market, and then I have some online purchases I've made. But if you get what you can get and store it up as best you can, it's to get you through the next couple of months, if anything. Okay, I like the dark meat. I don't know about you guys. there's my serving. Let's take a bite. And one of the best things ever is do extra vegetables, do more than you'll eat, and then make a roasted vegetable soup out of it. I have a video for that on here. It is the best leftover makeover, especially this time of year. Let's try this broccoli. See, that chicken just adds all kinds of flavor to your veggies. So easy, so good. I got about a chicken and a potato, and that potato is probably going to light me up. I knew it. I knew it'd be hot. Potatoes are yummy. That browning. So hot. So I cooked this for an hour and 15 minutes total. I took it out, you saw, and added the broccoli. And then when that was done, it was ready. So I did this 45 minutes first, and then cooked the broccoli until done. So super easy, one pan meal. You could also do this with legs, thighs, chicken parts. You don't have to have a whole chicken, but this is a good way to cook a chicken. Cooks faster than putting it in whole, and you can add the back to your chicken broth bag if you have one in the freezer. So give it a try if you haven't already. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. We're going to do some unboxing, some online food purchases. Stock up.